Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We've got a beautiful partnership announcement regarding World Mobile and Nuvola. So I'm going to go over the article, share with you a little bit about both projects, what they're doing, and you can make your own informed decision. So guys, if you believe that this is a good partnership, comment down below. I think this is good. And as someone that owns some Nuvola, for sure, I like this. As for the World Mobile side, I'm just starting to, expose myself more to it. So there's so many projects in crypto, I'm tackling them one at a time. So we're delighted to announce that Nuvola Digital has joined the World Mobile Partner Program as a distribution partner for Batch 2, Drop 1, and beyond. So we're going to talk about what this partnership is and give you a little bit of a macro perspective. So for those of you that don't know, World Mobile, they are a blockchain-based telecommunications infrastructure. I guess they're aiming to provide affordable internet access in underserved regions around the world. So that's what they're doing. Nuvola, they are a D-pin aggregator. So the idea of Nuvola is you pick up some NVL tokens, and with that, what you can do is you can stake to a dashboard, which we'll share with you in a minute, and you can earn rewards. So you don't have to manage any of the hardware, software side of things. So that's really powerful right there. So two big projects, in my opinion, undervalued projects. World Mobile is a little bit higher now, but I want to get into this, okay? So there's more information here. So Nuvola explained, Nuvola is a digital advance platform that democratizes access. So again, Nuvola, the idea of Nuvola is that you don't have to run your own nodes. The team, they acquire, nodes, whether it be NFTs or, through partnerships like this, they will run nodes. And then by you staking NVL, you get those blockchain rewards. So in a way, you're really supporting decentralization. The way I view it still is, it's kind of like owning a real estate REIT where you just buy stock and then you make money off of real estate, but you don't have to deal with clients. You don't have to do property management. It's a little bit like that. Okay. So Nuvola has committed to securing an allocation of air nodes from batch 2, drop 1, providing their community members access. So of course, World Mobile, they have their air nodes. They have, I believe they're pretty expensive NFTs. So let's get into that as well for a little bit. So this model will help accelerate the growth of World Mobile's sharing economy in the US and beyond. So let's take a look at JPEG Store here. Here are the Earth nodes. So here's an example. These are very expensive. 138 is, so this is like 60 G's, isn't it? Pretty expensive. So 50 cents, right? 70,000, whatever it may be. So it's a unique fungible token for air node operators, which represent their ownership of an Earth node. Earth nodes are the brain powering the sharing economy of World Mobile. So basically, when you own these, you can run a node, you can earn some World Mobile tokens. So very interesting there. Definitely something that the Moose should have got loose on earlier. But here's an article. World Mobile welcomes Nuvola Digital to its partner program. So I guess they already had a partner program. I don't know if that's something in which, they kind of just came up with after. But I did see this photo. So we got our buddy there, Raul. So we did an interview with him on the channel. So if you guys want, I highly recommend that you check that out. I did an interview with the CEO, Raul, in the middle here. So really cool. I like the partnerships, right? So we are excited to welcome Nuvola Digital to our partner program. Their innovative platform and extensive infrastructure will support our efforts to expand decentralized wireless connectivity. Now, the one thing about Nuvola is that they're capable of running very efficient nodes. So if you were to pick up these NFTs, run nodes, do all this complicated software and hardware yourself, you may not have the capabilities of doing so. And on top of that, then you have to manage it. Becomes an entire business, right? So in terms of investing, right, if you want to get exposure to some world mobile, now you can just pick up some NVL, right? So if you want to get into world mobile, sure, pick up some tokens. But if you want to run a node, let's maybe leave it up to the big boys there at Nuvola. So that's something to think about there. So I will be adding more links in the link tree as well. So for those of you that don't know, head over to the link tree, and I update this all the time. Okay, so we got rewards calculator, for example. If you want to know when the next Cardano epoch is, right? We're heading towards the Chang hard fork, etc. One is happening today. Okay, so even if we take a look at one of my wallets, here I do have some NVL, so I got that wallet plugged in for you. I'm actually delegating to NVL, so NVL, comment down below. Be like, dude, like the moose is getting you guys some looks here. Like, what's going on, man? Like, if we're at the bar, right, and you're single, like you're gonna come home with 3 to 4 people. Like, this is what's happening right now. So the moose is the wingman of blockchain today. So just wanted to mention that as well. So this is the Nuvola website. I wonder if they updated the roadmap. I've been digging the roadmap. Okay, so not yet, but you will see this updated, I assume. Okay, so already with partnerships, so Nuvola, they're running Iagon nodes. You've got for sure, I think minutes, whatever they're doing with that. Nuvola Drive is coming. So cornucopia file nodes, those things are sweet. Those things are sweet. So even taking a look here on Nuvola, this is a very underrated project. By the way, this thing is under 50 million market cap, I believe. Okay, so really cool. So here you go. You got you'll see an announcement here soon, but this is cool with copy file nodes as well. They're running like 100 nodes or something like that. So an annual return of almost 400,000 copy. Okay, so really cool. Just wanted to mention that, guys. With that being said, the moose is loose. If you guys want, pick up a hardware wallet. Okay, click on the Tangent link. Use code MOOSE. It's time to get loose. Protect your assets, right? If you got crazy ex-boyfriend or girlfriend and they're trying to get access to your crypto, guys, you need cold storage, right? You need cold storage. So for about $50, you can pick up one of these. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one. Comment down below what you want to learn about next or get info on. Peace.